Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be about the admission day at JGMCH. So let's get started. So starting from the very beginning, that is 3rd September, when I came to know that I have been allotted Jalpaiguri Medical College, JGMCH, which is located in the north side of West Bengal. And so I love that place. And yes, so we headed to Jalpaiguri on 4th September, and we reached there late night of 4th September. The college was quite far from the station, so it takes approximately 45 minutes from our in the station. So we did a halt at night, so we didn't move at night, and early morning पे ही हम लोग निकल गए थे towards the college approximately 6 a.m. and we reached there at 6:45. So after reaching there, so पहले तो हमें पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कहाँ पे क्या होगा, कहाँ पे एडमिशन होगा. सो इस बहाने से हमने मतलब थोड़ा सा कॉलेज घूम ही लिया था. वी सॉ द मात्रिमा बिल्डिंग ऑफ द कॉलेज, एंड आई ऑल्सो क्लिक्ड सम पिक्चर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉलेज. एंड आफ्टर दैट 9 AM से एडमिशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होना था. तो 9 AM से पहले दे गेव अस अ फाइल इन विच 10 pages वर केप्ट, एंड दोज 10 papers were paper clipped, and we had to fill all the details that were being asked on those 10 pages. Actually those pages were nothing, just the declarations only, the declaration by the parent, the declaration by the candidate, anti-ragging form, upgradation form, and general details, list of documents that are needed for the admission process. So I had filled all that, and there were seniors for guiding us, and they advised us to prepare 3 sets this time. One set was original document and 2 sets of Xerox documents. And the Xerox documents, I must say that that must be self-attested, and do this with a blue pen. It's my suggestion, okay? So I did all that, and we headed to the room जहाँ पे admission हो रहा था. And the first desk जो था, there was a sir who was checking all the original document, and again this man was putting tick against all the boxes that were created besides the name of the document. He was checking all the document whether it was available with me or not. So at last I was found available with all the documents that were needed for the admission process. So how did I know which documents will be needed for the admission process? I had visited the website, college wala website, before approaching to the college. Because every college has its own website, and where they have uploaded all the list of documents. So my college has also done that. So I had seen that before going to that college. And the most important thing that you might not be knowing, that every college requires a bond affidavit. Bond affidavit for what? That if you drop your study in between the 5.5 years of MBBS, so you will be charged 1 lakh rupees for the discontinuation. This is also known as the discontinuation bond. So इसी के regarding एक bond affidavit बनाना होता है from the court. I had made that, and I also had xeroxed it. Two copies of Xerox, right? That is self-attested. Okay, this was done. I headed to that sir, and all the process was done. The sir allowed me to go to the next desk. There were 2 ladies who were checking the Xerox document this time, and one of the lady was preparing my folder, and she had kept all the original documents in that. And I was allowed to move on to the next desk. I found that there was a man on computer who was filling up all my details on the website. He also asked whether I would be doing upgradation or not, and I said yes, I would be doing upgradation. So he marked a yes on that website, and this was done. I had been admitted at JGMCH currently, and if any changes or if I am upgraded to another college, so I'll definitely let you know. And this was all about my admission day, and I hope you guys had learned something like the bond affidavit was, I guess, this was new because I also didn't knew it. This was all. So thank you, and till then, bye bye. See you in the next video. इन 2 सालों में जितनी मेहनत हमारी होती है ना, उतनी ही मेहनत या फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत हमारे पेरेंट्स की होती है यार. I should salute their sacrifices, their efforts, and their dedication towards our success. So, here is my father, who was along with me during this process.